space full of token standards that haven't evolved much since 2015, Avalanche and Avacloud just introduced something new, something that redefines what a token can be. It's called eERC20, and it's not just a smarter version of eERC20, it's a blueprint for how tokens should behave in real world. Whether you are a developer, a protocol founder, or an enterprise building at scale, this is the standard you want to understand. Because what you can build with eERC20 is different and frankly more powerful than anything we've seen so far. What is eERC20? Technically, it's a new token standard for Avalanche subnet. It's fully EVM compatible, but with a twist. It allows developers to define the core logic and behavior of tokens at the infrastructure level, not just through smart contracts. That means your tokens aren't just objects sitting on top of a blockchain. They are deeply integrated into how blockchain should operate. Transfer rules, compliance logic, emission models, native tax or fee mechanisms. You don't bolt this on, you build them in. And because it's tied into subnet, eERC20 tokens get the best of Avalanche. Near instant finality, throughput, low or zero gas, custom execution environment. eERC20 tokens are tokens that are faster, cheaper, smarter, and entirely under your control. Why was it created? eERC20 was never built for what we are doing today. It was a great starting point, but it's rigid, monolithic, and often insecure in complex use cases. Avacloud saw the need for a token standard that could evolve with applications, especially for large-scale games and consumer apps, institutional finance and real-world assets, and regulated or geo-fenced deployment. Before now, people asked if tokens could be modular, composable, and enforced by the chain itself. And that's what eERC20 is. It eliminates custom solidity spaghetti for every project. It reduces surface area for exploits. And it simplifies deployment without sacrificing power. Security, scalability, and flexibility is all baked in by default. What can you build? So let's talk about the possibilities. With eERC20, builders can launch regulatory compliant tokens, add KYC, region logs, or whitelist logic natively, perfect for real-world asset and institutional use. Economies. Create gasless high-speed tokens inside a subnet with custom emission and bond mechanics. Creator and loyalty tokens. Reward users with programmable tokens that can expire, adjust based on behavior, or transferred only in-app. Static assets or DeFi primitives. Build derivative assets that operate with precise, rule-based mechanics directly at protocol layer. You don't need to hardcore all of this manually anymore. Avacloud gives you a clean declarative interface to spin up what you need without over-engineering. Why it matters for Avalanche and Web3. Here's the bigger picture. Avalanche isn't trying to be a monolithic L1. It's building an interoperable network of custom chains, each one optimized for a specific use case. eERC20 is the token layer for that modular future. Web3 is going. App-specific infra, composable standards, production-grade performance, data-ready compliance. Also clear signal that Avalanche is doubling down on rebuilders, not just market cycles. Avacloud is making it simple. Launch a production-ready subnet, customize your token standard, and go live. No blockchain PhD required. If you are serious about launching tokens that scale, evolve, and work with real world, eERC20 is the standard to build on. The infrastructure is ready, the standard is here, now it's your time to build.